You're not perfect, sport. And let me save you the suspense. This girl you met, she isn't perfect either. But the question is whether or not you're perfect for each other.
Marriage is a time for family and friends to come together and celebrate the joy of two people in love. Bonnie and Jay are so happy you are all here to witness this special moment, and I know it is their wish that this ceremony is the beginning of an afternoon, night and night full of lots of love and celebration.
I call upon the persons here present
to witness that I take you
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded wife. I vow to love you
and care for you
for the rest of our lives together.
With this ring,
I join my life to yours,
wear it always as a symbol of my love.
as a reminder of how much I love you.
Jay, you may kiss your beautiful bride. So you guys walk up and then you follow.
This is gonna be the best day of my life. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Who would have thought a year ago we were standing here today as husband and wife? If I ever did anything right in life, it was when I gave my heart to you. The love you have shown me is unbelievable. To see your face light up every day, or every time Frankie calls you her super dad, it melts my heart.
I
I think we should give Bonnie a round of applause. She's done all the flowers, all the arrangements, all the branding.
I never thought I'd find a love like this, but it really was from the first swipe. You had me from the get-go, my love, and I can't promise you that it will be easy and always flow so freely. But I can promise you that I will be right by your side through it all, forever and always. Now I get to do the rest of my life with you. My favourite place in the world is next to you. I love you.
You really, first of all, with no words,